Hello everyone, in front of me is Oppo A40 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. First of all, open your phone dialer, enroll contacts and choose the contact that you want to add this profile picture to. Now select edit and click on add picture. Now choose the source from which you want to select your photo, so it can be one from illustrations. Then you can open your camera to grab a photo right now or pick something from the gallery. Let me just, for example, this one. Then customize it however you like. You can also rotate the photo if you want. Mark choose once it is set the way you want and select save to apply the change. And that's it. From now on, the photo is added. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.